talk about out. We talk about out of many, one people. We talk about out of many, one people. Yes, we talk about out of many, one people. But when we talk about out of many, one people, there is still, when you look at the cultural expression, so the identity, the values, what people identify as, because we talk about what is culture, the norms and values. We talk about, yeah, culture is the way of life for people. Culture is the way of life of a people. When you study culture, you're studying, when you study society, you also have to study the culture, you study the way of life of the people. That also involves history.